Why struggle with fiber installs when they could be effortless? Meet the Prodigy hardened connectivity solution from CommScope that makes fiber to the home simple, fast, and frustration-free. With integrated mounting tabs and no extra brackets, the Prodigy terminal reduces your footprints by up to 67%. Plus, it supports fiber distribution, fiber indexing, splitter, optical taps, and even on-demand hybrid configurations, so you get full network flexibility in any space. And with the universal Prodigy connector, various converters click right on to provide backwards compatibility to your existing deployed network. Prodigy drop cable assemblies minimize warehouse inventory, reduce installation complexity in the field, and simplify tech training. Prodigy drop cable assemblies optimize SKUs and simplify inventory management. Our intuitive design guides a 45-degree twist lock, delivering a secure connection free of guesswork, dropped cores, or accidental releases. Flexible mounting options ensure easy installation for cable, strand, and pedestal applications. Intermatability is achievable with the full connector adapter solution as well as through our licensed partners. Compact, universal, dependable, and sustainable. That's the award-winning CommScope Prodigy solution. Learn more at commscope.com/prodigy.